जीवन में असली उड़ान अभी बाकी है, हमारे इरादों का इम्तिहान अभी बाकी है। अभी तो नापी है सिर्फ मुट्ठी भर जमीन, अभी तो सारा आसमान बाकी है। Good evening, MITians. I, Sanskar Sharma, and my co-anchor Vidhi Thakre warm-heartedly welcome respected Director Dr. Mahesh Gaudar Sir, Dean Student Affairs, to all the Deputy Directors, teaching as well as non-teaching staff, and all the students of MIT Academy of Engineering. We wish you all a boisterous evening. Welcome all to the annual socio-cultural gathering of MIT Academy of Engineering, Nakshatra 2021.
Nakshatra is a melange of jewels who shall forever engrave their enactments in triumphant hues on the walls of MIT Academy of Engineering. This is the power of gathering. It inspires us delightfully to be more hopeful, more joyful, more thoughtful, in a word, more alive. And therefore, ladies and gentlemen, fasten your seatbelts and get ready for a joyride. Ecstasy and elation rolled into power-packed performances. Nakshatra 2021.
अस्तो मा सद्गमय, तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय, मृत्योर्मा अमृतम गमय, ओम शांति ही शांति ही शांति ही. O Lord, lead me from unreal to real, from darkness of ignorance to light of knowledge, and from death to immortality. Pure feeling, let us forge ahead.
Now, adhering with the traditions further, let us all pay tribute to the World Peace Prayer. A prayer that pays salutations to Om, the ultimate truth. A prayer that praises the ultimate reality as enunciated in the Vedas. A prayer that pays tribute to the Gurus, pays homage to the pure intelligence and true knowledge. A prayer that salutes the Almighty, the illuminator of knowledge. And now, abiding by this beautiful tradition of reciting the World Peace Prayer before the commencement of any celebration, let us all stand in the honor of it.
जय जय स्वसंवेद्या आत्मरूपा देवातुति गणेषु सकलार्थमपि प्रकाशु मणिनिवृत्तिदातु अवधारि योगी गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परब्रह्म पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः हरि ईशावास्यमिदं सर्वं यत्किञ्च जगत्यां जगत् तेन त्यक्तेन भुञ्जीथाः मा बुधः कस्यचिद्धनम् ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात् सर्वेऽपि सुखिनः सन्तु सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखमाप्नुयात् द्यौ शान्तिः अन्तरिक्षशान्तिः पृथिवीशान्तिः आपश्शान्तिः औषधयशान्तिः वनस्पतयशान्तिः विश्वेदेवाशान्तिः ब्रह्मशान्तिः सर्वशान्तिः शान्तिरेव शान्तिः सामा शान्तिरेधि ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः
Now, it is time to felicitate the voices of the people, for the people, and by the people. The single bridge between the students and the teachers, the people who work tirelessly to help the students. Yes, we are talking about none other than our student council. We would like our students to know their council for the year 2021. Now, I would like to welcome the President, Mr. Vikas Biradar. Being a member of the Student Council for the past 3 years and Secretary for the last academic year, he has always been ready to contribute to college activities, whether it be sports or any cultural activities. He is also a core department member who leads his team to organize excellent department level events.
Now I would like to welcome the Secretary of Student Council, Ms. Manisha Chaudhary. She is a confident person. She is optimistic and handles her responsibilities very well. She has worked as a council member of a department and has also led various sports activities. She is delighted to contribute in handling the online Nakshatra and prize distribution. She has been awarded as the Best All-Rounder Student of the Year of MITAOE and hopes to help her juniors along with smooth conduction of events in the future.
Now, I would like to invite Ms. Janvi Chhadawar, the ladies' representative. She is a multi-talented person with her skills specializing in leadership, planning, and execution. She has been a student coordinator for various college events, which were a huge success and delight for the students. She is also the Khiladi of the IT department, who excels and supports her team in almost every sport. Even when she is exhausted, she never fails to uplift herself and the team to work for their aim. She was the Ella of Asset and helped her female colleagues overcome their difficulties, not only academics but everything in general, which indeed made their college life swift, secure, and easy.
Now it's time to introduce the Cultural Secretary, Ms. Tanmay Rakbi. She co-founded Menace Dance Club in her first year, and since then she has been working dedicatedly towards providing a platform for students to showcase their talent. She has conducted events and represented her college in various events and competitions, one of them being Firodia Karandak, the prestigious inter-college competition. Even amidst the pandemic, she has continued to work with zeal and conduct various events, competitions, and workshops.
Now let us welcome Mr. Kunal Hole, the NSS coordinator. He has been an enthusiastic and motivated person and also served society. He has also been working with NGOs like Saksham and has also contributed towards social services like NSS for the past 3 years. He has also been engaged with various tolerated parts of society. He has also volunteered and organized many blood donation camps in college. He has also worked with Open Defection Free Village program under Jal Shakti Ministry with coordination of NSS.
Now let's welcome the Sports Secretary, Mr. Amit Nawale. He has great communication and leadership skills. He always motivates and encourages his teammates for sports events. He has represented college in various sports like table tennis, badminton, and athletics and won titles for our college. He is also the captain of our college table tennis team from last 3 years. He is a national player in table tennis. He has worked as a joint secretary for his department and also led various sports activities. He has been awarded with the best university team captain for table tennis last year.
Good evening and welcome everyone. My name is Vikas Biradar. I am 2021 college president, and on behalf of entire student council, teachers and entire MITOE, it is my decent pleasure to welcome you all here at Nakshatra 2021. We are grateful to our honorable director Mr. Mahesh Gowda sir and all respective deans where encouragement and support has helped us to achieve a milestone, and also every faculty member who make this event happen even in these difficult times. It is indeed a pleasant evening where everyone is soaked in celebration mood. A big thanks to everyone who are present here for providing the enthusiasm and spirit of togetherness through online platform. Despite of pandemic, the faculty members have gave 100% to provide the knowledge and complete the courses through various sources available. The college has conducted different activities like chess and yoga competitions. As Ray Davis said, and I quote, a challenge never became obstacle when you bow to it. The student and staff of MITOE never bowed to the situation and always kept going things in the betterment of the student. At the last, on behalf of entire MITOE, I thank you all to provide to present here, and I hope you enjoy the evening. Thank you.
Nakshatra, the one word that enriches our heart and mind with the sight of the talent pool of MIT Academy of Engineering. It's the time when the skilled hands, intelligent minds, melodious voices, and balletic steps set the stage on fire. Each year, the marvelous day of Nakshatra encourages all the energetic, talented, and versatile actors to showcase their talent. It cherishes the pure spirit of enthusiasm. It has been a part of our very own legacy and is blooming each year. But to bring life in this event, there is that one person who takes all the responsibility of bountifully admonishing this legacy. And that one person is the cultural coordinator, who, with all of his dedication and hard work, makes this event to be successful. It is the continuous effort of this person that makes us bring out a hidden talent. It gives us encouragement and motivation. And I would thereby like to call Mr. Amit Sanavne sir to kindly grace the stage.
संत शिरोमणी ज्ञानेश्वर महाराज यांच्या अलंकापुरीत इंद्रायणी नदीच्या तीरावर वसलेल्या MITOEच्या प्रांगणात नटराजाच्या साक्षीने सजवलेल्या रंगभूमीवर आपल्या सर्वांचं सहर्ष स्वागत. Nakshatra 2021, not only the cultural fest, it's an emotion of togetherness, and it is one try to be close to each other when the situation asks us to stay apart. The college life is stopped due to the pandemic. Classrooms are empty. No noise in the corridors, benches are alone, canteens are closed. Masti and dosti vanished somewhere. Nakshatra is a small effort to bring your dosti back into the life. तो चलो यारो, कोरोना क्यों रोना, कुछ तो हंगामा करो ना. With the Nakshatra 2021, I, Amit Sonawne, Nakshatra Coordinator, hereby welcomes you for the Cultural Fest Nakshatra 2021. Thank you.
It is a continuous effort of an artist to bring life into a carved sculpture. It is the power of inspiring words that break the cage, the source of our encouragement and enlightenment that continuously motivates us to bring out the best version of ourselves, is the man we all look up to. That is our director, Dr. Mahesh Kodar sir. Sir, you have made us realize that, yes, we are born with potential, and yes, we can fly. Your inspiring words and grace have turned our efforts into an achievement. Your determination is reflected in the success stories of MIT Academy of Engineering. For all of us, you are the inspiration behind the saying that flaws are the first learning attempt on the way of success. Now, I would like to invite Honorable Director Sir to share the annual report with us.
I welcome all the dignitaries, faculties, staff and dear students on the annual day function of our institute on this virtual platform. MIT Academy of Engineering has been instrumental in providing multidisciplinary exposure for the overall holistic development of our students via curricular and extracurricular activities throughout the year. I feel proud to claim that MIT Academy of Engineering is one of the best professional institutes in Maharashtra. It is approved by All India Council of Technical Education, AICTE, and is affiliated to Savitribai Phule University, Pune. Four of our UG programs are accredited by the National Board of Accreditation. We have also achieved A grade by NAC. MITOE has been bestowed with the academic autonomy by UGC, Government of India. Apart from this, MITOE has been honored with various prestigious awards and recognition. The institution has received the Clean and Smart Campus Award 2019 from AICTE. MITOE's Swayam Naktal local chapter has secured the rank in the top 50 local chapters out of 3,500 for the July-December 2019 semester, and also awarded A grade local chapter by Swayam Naktal. Further, it gives me immense pleasure to announce that Education Ministry, Maharashtra and Director of Arts has given permission to start Bachelor of Design as a design specialization in MIT OE campus with a total intake of 90 students. MIT School of Design first batch has been started from 2020-21 batch. 3 specializations are offered: product design, communication design and user experience design. I am delighted to present the annual report for the academic year 1920. It has been a year in which we have successfully conducted several significant co-curricular, curricular and extracurricular activities. I would like to begin with our branch-wise result of final years, wherein excellent performance has been shown by our students. BTech Chemical 98.94%, BTech Computer 97.19%, BTech Electronics 95.40%, BTech ENTC 98.89%, BTech IT 98.94%, BTech Mechanical 98.4%, BTech Civil 95.18%. 12 of our teachers have been awarded with the PhD degree in the current year. Also, 12 teachers have been registered registered for their PhD. Total 104 research papers have been published at national and international journals, including students' publication. Simultaneously, 55 papers were presented in national and international conferences and seminars. Around 167 faculty members attended seminars and conferences at various levels. Similarly, 3 patents have been published and 4 patents have been filed. Further, a total amount of rupees 13,09,000 has been received through various funding agencies like AICT, MODROP, Unnat Bharat Bank. Last year, MIT OE organized about 110 academic events such as seminars, conferences, workshops, industrial visits, guest lectures, etc. at departmental, college, collegiate, national and international levels, which are very important in the holistic development of the students. On the occasion of the Teacher Day, Dr. Dipti Sakre, Associate Professor, received Ideal Teacher Award at the hands of Senior Journalist Dr. Madhukar Bhavi at MIT WPU Kothurud on September 4, 2019. Similarly, Professor Sridhar Khandekar, Senior Assistant Professor, was felicitated at the hands of Honorable Sri R.K. Singh, Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, and Dr. Mahendranath Pandey, Honorable Minister of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship at New Delhi, for their winning the Medal of Excellence in the World Skill Robotic Competition. On the occasion of the Teacher Day, we honored Dr. Sandeep Shavalle with the Teacher of the Year Award 2019-20. We also conferred the Teacher of the Department Award on one exceptional teacher from each of the department. Similarly, Staff of the Year Award was bestowed upon Shailesh Pokhre. A special award was given to Bhimagoda Patil as Best Club Coordinator. First TEDx MIT OE at Atto Cluster Auditorium was organized by MIT Academy of Learning, which was a huge success. Under 25 event was organized on 16 February 2020 at MIT Alauddin campus. Nakshatra 2020, as usual, was conducted successfully as the students from all the departments participated enthusiastically in various cultural programs and sport events. International and national MOUs were also signed. About approximately 23 MOUs have been signed up with national and international reputed organizations. Now to talk about achievements of the faculties. Professor V.P. Kulkarni received the award of Outstanding Student Chapter 2019 at Annual General Meeting of the Institution of Mechanical Engineers at Kolkata. Award is an appreciation certificate and a trophy. He is also elected as Secretary of West Zone of IMechE UK India for first year. International conference in association with Springer has been published as an edited book titled Advances in Signal and Data Processing by Professor Dr. Adhikari, who is an editor along with Professor S.N. Merchant, IIT Bombay, and Sri Krishna Varade, MIT WPU. MIT OE has been registered as Network Institute of ISRO Institute of Remote Sensing, IRS, the coordinator of which is Dr. Debashish Adhikar. Professor Mandar Balekar, Professor Amar Chavan, Mr. Shailesh Shinde and Mr. Datta Jagdale from School of Electrical Engineering have designed and developed an in-house dual-regulated smart DC power supply. Mr. Gajanan Vevre, Lab Assistant of School of Electrical Engineering, has designed and developed and manufactured a automatic sanitizer dispenser machine. Dr. S.P. Shavalle received the Best Young Research Award by Institute of Technical and Research Foundation, Jaipur. Mr. Bhaskar Vaktikar project was announced, sponsored by Infinity Construction with a sponsor amount of 70,000 rupees. Mr. Nilesh Baglekar project was sponsored by Rand Polymer Private Limited worth rupees 1 lakh rupees. Mr. Nikhil Balero project data sponsorship was sponsored by State Data Storage Center with worth of rupees 1,77,975 rupees. Our students also participated in several academic and co-curricular activities organized by various renowned institutes and organizations. Although all of them cannot be mentioned, here are some important major achievements. Sanket Dahenkar won the prestigious Alexander Graham Bell Award. He was among the top 20 brains of our nation to have won this award through ABGA National Talent Hunt. He was in the virtual world in the presence of Dr. Vint, father of Internet and co-creator of TCP/IP. Durgesh Kolte, Sanket Yadav, Balke Prajakta successfully completed online course on course titled Development of Real-Time Systems. Mr. Sarvesh Patak has been selected as AWS Educate Student Ambassador. Our student secured 18th position in Firodia. Mr. Sanket Yadav secured first position in paper cut motion animation. Kiran Pawar was the best actor nomination. Team Niridha karting under the guidance of Dr. Professor B.R. Patil designed and fabricated a go-kart and participated in ISIE IKR 2020 with 80 teams and won the first prize, which included 1,30,000 cash prize. MIT OE mobile robotics team Omkar Gaurav and Rohan Hanigi BTech Electronics and ENTC along with the expert Professor Sridhar Khandekar were facilitated by NSDT for winning the Medallion of Excellence at WorldSkills International Abu Dhabi. Abhishek Mutha represented college at VIT Vellore, IDRL competition Gravitas. He secured first rank in beginner level. 52 MIT OE students successfully completed Google Cloud Certification course on Coursera through Google Developer Club. Amey Nerkar and Mayank Chaurasia cleared prestigious certification from Google Cloud Associate Engineering, which helped the students to get recruited directly on Google Cloud Technology. Hari Krishnan, Pratiksha Bande and T. Vareshi received best paper for their paper at IEEE ESCI 2020. Student of MIT OE TY BTech had registered for Swayam Neptal online course titled Project Management for Managers. A total of 452 students successfully completed this online course, out of which 3 students secured the top 1% and received the honor of Elite Plus Gold certificate. 3 and 16 students secured top 2 and top 5 respectively and received the honor of Elite Silver certificate. In addition to this, 262 students secured first class and received the honor of Elite certificate. Virendra Sanjay Award achieved first rank in RoboMage competition Technovanja 19. Shubham Patil obtained first prize in Technofest Crane O Mania IIT Bombay. MIT OE student team secured first position among the more than 80 teams participated in this event. Karan D. Patil, Prajakta Joglekar and Pranav Bhaskar won the first prize and received a funding of Rs 10,000 from Pimpri Chinchwad Municipal Corporation, Pimpri Chinchwad Smart City Limited and Pimpri Chinchwad College of Engineering for event Innovate for Smart Pimpri Chinchwad. Project titled Sehat, an autonomous robot for hospital management, navigation and a preliminary health checkup under the guidance of Dr. Mahesh Kaudar. On the occasion of Teachers' Day, Mr. Rohan Hangi and Mr. Omkar won the Medallion of Excellence at WorldSkills International 2019. Pranav Bhaskar received components of Rs $200 in the Innovation Challenge Design Contest 2019. Yash Pamnani received outstanding performance in the 6 weeks course Introduction to Embedded System and Robotics organized by IIT Bombay E-Antara Research Development Center. Sudhanshu Kumar received the Best Startup Award during Nakshatra 2019 by ESL MIT OE. Ms. Swastika Gosavi received the Best Oral Presentation in SCAMCon 2019. Mr. Avdut Patil, Sumit Oak and Himanshu Patel received the Best Poster Presentation Award at ChemCon 2019. Mr. Jnanesh Himantu Jaitu, Dharmaraj Gaikwad, Akshay Nalapure won the first prize in cooling tower design in the 15th National Chemical Engineering Student Conference Prakalpa 2019 held at MIT OE. Mr. Praveen Pardeshi, Mr. Samir Patil in BARC Mumbai and Avadek Kole in Cognizant Technology Solutions obtained semester-long internship. Mr. Ronak Mistry obtained an internship with a stipend of Rs 10,000 by Manakshu Space Technologies Mumbai. This is a joint venture between IIT Mumbai and ISRO. Ritvik Patil, Prajna Sonone, Prasad Pawar and Satish Mashram received Certificate of Excellence with a cash prize of Rs 8,000 in Innovision 2020 paper presentation at GSPM Tatpade. Coming to the placements, in the year 2019-20, 423 students were placed in renowned companies. Totally 66.6% of the students who were registered for the placement got placed. Highest salary package was 30 lakh rupees. We have initiated rigorous placement training programs for all students to ensure that every student of MIT get placed in the reputed companies. We are committed for the bright future. Coming to the sport activities, Gayatri Vadelkar from SYENTC won 3 gold medals at Narayangaon College of Commerce organized by Pune University. Sanket Chauke, B Chemical, won gold medal in the Vedant Intercollegiate Carom Championship organized by BJ Medical College, Pune. Many open intercollegiate state level competitions were won by chess team of MIT OE. State level chess competition at ADT Loni were won by boys and girls team of MIT OE under the leadership of Nikhil Kali. Munali Bhole won gold medal in this competition. Amay Godbole won gold medal at intercollegiate Vedant event organized by BJ Medical College, Pune. Eureka Sports Day under Nakshatra was won by Mechanical Department. Various indoor-outdoor sports with Indian sports and ball games, athletics and cricket were part of Sports Day. Shields for winner department and trophies and medals for the best players and the winner participants were given away in the Nakshatra Annual Gathering 2020. To conclude, our achievements at all levels were indeed significant. The credit goes to all the students, faculties and staffs who have been toiling wholeheartedly. However, the path towards excellence and perfection is perpetual. This year too, with complete dedication, hard work and enthusiasm of the entire team of MIT OE, we aspire to achieve newer heights and set newer, higher goals for ourselves to prove that MIT is one of the best and the leading institution in India. Thank you.
We would like to congratulate each and every member of MIT Academy of Engineering for their hard work, patience, grit and determination, which has been consistent throughout the year and is the reason behind our achievements. Thank you, sir, for your motivating words. We are gratified to have you as a beacon of light.
Thank you so much, sir, for your precious words and an inspiring message. Now I would like to invite Dr. N.M. Rane, sir, Deputy Director Admin, to kindly grace the stage.
Good evening, one and all. Behalf of the institute, I welcome all of you. Now I will make the formal announcement. Nakshatra 2021 is on for the cultural program. Enjoy your evening. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Now I would like to request Dr. S.A. Jain, sir, Deputy Director Corporate, to please come on stage.
Good evening, one and all. So, Nakshatra 2021 is ready to give you the joy of Cultural Fest. Although we are in the virtual mode, but because of the overwhelming response of all the enthusiastic students, faculties, staff, and especially the organizers, has proven that nobody can stop us to spread the happiness, not any disease nor any pandemic situation. So hereby I declare that Nakshatra 2021 Cultural Fest is on for all. Thank you.
Now, I would like to invite the Cultural Secretary, Ms. Tanmay Rakvi, for vote of thanks.
We do not need magic to change the world. We carry all the power we need inside ourselves already. We have the power to imagine better. A quote by J.K. Rowling. Good evening, respected Director Dr. Mahesh Gowda sir, respected deans of all the departments, respected dignitaries, and all the members of MIT OE family watching me through the screens. I, Tanmay Rakvi, the Cultural Secretary of this college, find myself extremely honored to be delivering the vote of thanks for Nakshatra 2021. Before expressing my gratitude to everyone, I wish to tell you about my journey in these last 4 years and towards becoming the Cultural Secretary. My journey started when I co-founded Minnie's Dance Club in my very first year in an effort to provide a platform for students who are interested in performing arts. The very next year, I joined Firodia team, where I saw music, art, and dance come together to give birth to an excellent show that portrayed the true essence of cinema on stage. Rehearsing with this team has taught me to always trust the process. With the Prakruti Club, we are all constantly trying to raise awareness about the harm that we cause to the environment and trying to make change happen through the smallest and simplest of actions. Moving from FY to realization that specialization in one stream takes hard work was tough. But everyone at School of Chemical Engineering welcomed and guided us through this path. We were encouraged to explore ourselves beyond academics and take the roles of responsibility and leadership through a national platform, Prakalp. For the last 2 years, Prakalp has only been growing and is all credited to the mentorship of the college that we received. In my 3rd year, an under 25 chapter was set up on the campus. This stage was created to showcase talent. The Under 25 Summit is one of the biggest highlights of my time in this college. From co-founding Menes Dance Club till co-organizing Nakshatra 2021, throughout this journey, I believe I was able to support and contribute enough to make a difference. Every successful journey might start with the courage to take the first step, but those who help us keep on going on the same path are the true treasures. I am fortunate enough to have found such influential people in my life. I want to thank so many of my peers who have bared with me, motivated me, and taught me innumerable lessons. The list of names would stretch out for a very long time, and I'm afraid I leave some out. So I would like to thank everyone that I have met to leave an impression on me and making me better. I would like to extend my special thanks to Vaishali Wangikar ma'am, Amit Sunavne sir, Mayuri Pokharna ma'am, Ashish Srivastava sir, Senthil Kumar sir, Sudhir Gandhi sir, Shraddha Shinde ma'am, Parag Sutar sir, Dhananjay Devre sir, Snehal ma'am, for always believing in me. What an amazing cultural evening we have had. We have certainly proven that our spirit and joy cannot be contained by online barriers. I would like to start by mentioning my sincere sense of gratitude towards our respected director, Dr. Mahesh Gowda sir, because of whom we are able to conduct this event amidst the pandemic. A big thank you to our Deputy Director, Dr. Nitin Rane sir, Dr. Vaishali Mangikar ma'am, and Mr. Amit Sonavni sir for fortifying and warranting a successful event. And to all the event faculty coordinators, Ms. Vandana Khandelwal ma'am, Mr. Dhananjay Devri sir, Mr. Nikhil Sardar sir, and Mrs. Mayuri Pokharna ma'am, who took an extra effort and made this event a grand success. I would like to acknowledge the work done by the dedicated and well-motivated student council members and the diligence they have shown in bringing all of us together. I would like to place my hearty thanks to the anchoring, dance, music, singing, drama teams, volunteers, participants, all the committee members, and all those who have directly or indirectly contributed for this event. Their efforts, appreciating ideas, constant support, and hard work, we were together able to make Nakshatra successful. Also, I would like to show appreciation to the deans of all the departments, dignitaries, all the teaching and non-teaching staff, and all the members of MIT AOE who have patiently watched the entire program and with their lively presence made us forget that this was an online event. Once again, I would like to congratulate all the achievers and the winners and thank each and every single person for playing an essential role in making Nakshatra 2021 a big hit. I hope to see everyone back on campus soon. Till then, stay home and stay safe. Thank you.
I hope you guys are enjoying the evening. But now is the time to gather all your enthusiasm you saved up throughout the pandemic. Yes, the wait is over. Our unique and unmatched dancers are ready to make you shake on these groovy beats. And the silvery voices are here to make an harmonious ambience. And so, let's get started with the power-packed performances. And here we have on stage Gauri Gupta from first year to set the stage on fire. That was indeed a graceful performance. But hold on guys, here's another performance to boost up your enthusiasm. And so I would like to call on stage Raj Kasar with another eye-catching performance.
जानिए जानिए मेरे मन ये बता दे तू किस ओर चला है तू, क्या पाया नहीं तूने, क्या ढूंढ रहा है तू, जो है अनकही जो है अनसुनी वो बात क्या है बता। मितवा कहे धड़कने तुझसे क्या, मितवा तो खुद से तो ना तू छुपा। हो मेरे मन ये बता दे तू किस ओर चला है तू, क्या पाया नहीं तूने, क्या ढूंढ रहा है तू, जो है अनकही जो है अनसुनी वो बात क्या है बता। मितवा कहे धड़कने तुझसे क्या, मितवा तो खुद से तो ना तू छुपा। मितवा जीवन डगर में डगर में डगर में, प्रेम नगर में नगर में नगर में, जीवन डगर में प्रेम नगर में। आया नजर में जब से कोई है, तू सोचता है तू पूछता है, जिसकी कमी थी क्या ये वही है, हाँ ये वही है, हाँ ये वही है। तू एक प्यासा ये नदी है, कहे नहीं इसको तू खुल के बताए, कहे अनसही कहे अनसुनी, वो बात क्या है बता। मितवा कहे धड़कने तुझसे क्या, मितवा तो खुद से तो ना तू छुपा।
It has become a really pleasant evening with such amazing dance performances. Proceeding with the same mood and energy, let's welcome Ankita Khedkar from BTech for her dance performance.
What an energetic performance. We were really thrilled to watch this. And now, to continue with the event, we have on stage Krishna Dhoot to showcase his talent.
सांस है, हाँ हम वही है पले, थोड़े से दिल फेंक है, थोड़े से है मन चले, जहाँ भी कहे अपना जादू दिखाते रहे, मोहब्बत हसीनों को अक्सर सिखाते रहे, आए हमें दिल को नींद चुराना, हम हैं नए अंदाज क्यों हो पुराना, कोई कहे कहता रहे कितना भी हमको दीवाना, कोई कहता कितना भी हमको दीवाना, हो हम लोगों की ठोकर में है ये जमाना, हो जब सांस है आवाज है फिर किस लिए हिचकिचाना, हो जब सांस है आवाज है फिर किस लिए हिचकिचाना, हो गाएंगे हम अपने दिलों का तराना, बिगड़े दुनिया बिगड़ने भी दो, झगड़े दुनिया झगड़ने भी दो, लड़े जो दुनिया लड़ने भी दो, हम अपनी धुन में गाओ, दुनिया रूठे रूठने दो, बंधन टूटे टूटने दो, कोई छूटे छूटने दो, ना घबराओ हम हैं नए अंदाज क्यों हो पुराना, हो हम हैं नए अंदाज क्यों हो पुराना।
With this, I would like to move to our next performer, who has an unbeatable passion for dance and is always seen with positive energy. So welcome Kaustubh Ravindra Shela from second year for his lightning performance. What an outstanding performance. Thank you, Kaustubh.
Wow, that was really a fascinating performance. But don't move, guys. Stick to your screens because we are up with a duet performance by Pratiksha Rale and Rachna Vasnik from second year computer department.
मेरा झुमका उठा के लाया यार वे, जोगिरा था बरेली के बाजार में, मैं तो ठुमका लगा के शर्मा गई, बोली घूम कर बजा दे के मैं आ गई,
Splendid. Thank you for this amazing performance. This was really magical. And now, to cheer you guys up once again, we have on stage Nivedita Magdam with another power pack performance.
ga ga re ga ga re ga re ga ma ga re sa ni sa ni ga ga re ga ma pa re dha pa ma ga re ga ga re ga ma ga re sa ni ga ma pa re dha pa pa sa re dha pa ma ga re ga re ga ma ga re sa ni ga 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 ma pa re dha pa ma ga re ga ga re ga ma ga re sa ni ga ma pa re dha pa ma sa re dha pa ma ga re ga गूंजी सी है सारी फिजा जैसे बजती हो शहनाइयाँ लहराती है महकी हवा गुनगुनाती है तन्हाइयाँ सब गाते हैं सब ही मदहोश है हम तुम क्यों खामोश है साज़े दिल छेड़ो ना चुप हो क्यों गाओ ना आओ ना आओ ना गा गा रे गा म गा रे सा नि गा गा रे गा म pa re dha pa ma ga re ga तन मन में क्यों ऐसी बहती हुई ठंडी सी एक आग है राग है। ये हुआ क्या हमें हमको समझाओ ना, ये हुआ क्या हमें हमको समझाओ ना। सब गाते हैं सब ही मदहोश है, हम तुम क्यों खामोश हैं। दिल में जो बातें हैं होठों पे लाओ ना, आओ ना, आओ ना, आओ ना।
Now, our next performer is Mansi, and she is here to lead the stage with her flaming performance.
लगा सनसेट है भाई तेरा फुल सेट है, मोशन भी देखो मेरा बनने लगा। देखो तो हसीना को वाना भी करीना को तुमको का फीवर है चढ़ने लगा। थोड़ा हार्ड सा होके थोड़ा जेंटल सा होके थोड़ा सेंटी सा होके थोड़ा मेंटल सा होके सारे 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 Let's not joke.
Wow, that was really an amazing performance. But we are not done yet, guys. Now let's just double up the joy, energy and cheering. Cause now is the time for a duet performance by Tanmay Rakvi and Raman Parekh from BTech Chemical Department.
Suena ra, Scooby-Doo papá, y el pum 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 pum, y el pum 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 pum, y el pum 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 pum, pum 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 pum, y la cosa suena ra, 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 ra. Scooby-Doo papá, y el pum 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 pum, y el pum 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 pum, y el pum 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 pum, pum 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 pum, y la cosa suena ra, 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 ra. Scooby-Doo papá, y el pum 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 pum. Tú quieres juca, pásamelo 20. Tú quieres juca, pásamelo 20. Tú quieres juca, pásamelo 20. Si no, te voy a romper los dientes. Hey.
Tira la lista.
बहुत हार्ड तू लटका के झटका के चलती है भटका के ध्यान मेरा। तेरे इस चलने पे मैंने कुछ लिखा है, पब्लिक को दे दूंगा ज्ञान तेरा। ओ मैडम जी मैं तेरा भाई नहीं है, धीरे चल कोई घाय नहीं है। बस इतना ही बोलूंगा, दिखती है माशाल्लाह चलती है, इसमें दो राय नहीं है क्या। मामा बनने बोले कल्लू बन जाऊंगा, तू चाहे तो तेरा पल्लू बन जाऊंगा। मलयालम होगी तो मल्लू बन जाऊंगा, तेलुगु रहेगी तो अल्लू बन जाऊंगा। तू बनाएगी तो उल्लू बन जाऊंगा, बेबी बाबा नहीं बल्लू बन जाऊंगा। आइटम पटाने में संजू बन जाऊंगा, शादी करने बोले सल्लू बन जाऊंगा।
With this, I would like to invite our next performer, Prathmesh.
You know the outfit is divine, कली ज्ञान, तुम लोग चिल करेंगे, हम लोग ड्रिल करेंगे, छोड़े अच्छे से बात कर, छोड़े अच्छे से बात कर, चल खुले में चिंगारी सर पे चल, बदन पे कपड़े तो जिंदगी मत समझ पास से बोले व्हाट्सअप, ये में लड़की आ रही है गली गैंग छाती टोक के तू सूरत पंचोली में चल बोल दे, छाती पे लाना हम मंत्र बोल दे, तू रो देगा अगर हम सदर बोल दे, पता तोड़ के निकले इस रोटी तरह, छाती नहीं कहीं तू छोटी तरह, व्हाट्सअप एक अलग मेरी लाइफ चलती तरह, रोड ले झूम में चकनी की तरह, नंगे पैर जो सिंगल पे खड़ा, शिवाजी राज से स्वागत पे मारा, बादल के ऊपर मेरा स्वागत करा, पैसे सबसे चॉकलेट कलर, गोली माल भेजे में भेजा शोर करता है, देश भर में चर्चा है, जो बोले अपन करता है, एडिट करके तूने मेरा इमेज मीम बना दिया, मेहनत करके तेरे भाई ने पूरा टीम बना दिया, पिक्चर या सड़कों पे सीन बना दिया, खुद का टाइम लाया मैंने सबसे बड़ा गाना दिया, शिक्षा से पहले मैंने ड्रग्स देखा, टिफिन बॉक्स से पहले मैंने ड्रग्स देखा, 19 साल का मैं ऐसा लगता मैंने शब्द देखा, शोहरत के लिए ज्यादा मेहनत थोड़ा लग देगा, सर्कल रखता टाइट और सर्कल जितना फक देता, नशा अपन करते इसलिए नशे में हरक देता, ना 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 जिंदगी तमाशा है, व्यूज तो 69 को भी आता है, अपना विशनरी शॉट सब कुछ सामने से जाता है, बैंक मेरे घर का खुद का मेरा खाता है, लाइसेंस पे एल्बम क्योंकि मैथ्स मुझे आता है, डॉलर जब इन्वॉल्व तब सेंस समझ आता है, हाँ जब डॉलर और पैशन दोनों साथ नहीं जाते हैं, जो पैशन पैसे ना दे वो पैशन नहीं सिखाता है, इंडिपेंडेंट में नहीं सिर्फ एंटरटेनमेंट में, इंडिपेंडेंट हर स्ट्रीट के पेमेंट के इनके बाप के पेमेंट से, हाँ लाया ना स्लेव मैन के साथ, नजर तो मिलाना कभी रियल मैन के साथ, हाँ करते रहो राइट तब तक 6 महीने सब कुछ हम रिस्क करते, तू तगाड़ा दिख के अभी भी हम विश करते, ज्ञान लिया नानी से अभी भी हम मिस करते, आसमां को देख के अभी भी हम किस करते, हाँ कलम मेरा हिंदू मुस्लिम को मिला, हिंदी में मेरा वर्स पूरे पंजाब को हिलाता है, सर से लेके पैर तक, पैर से लेके सर तक सब कुछ प्रॉपर है, सर से लेके पैर तक, पैर से लेके सर तक सब कुछ प्रॉपर है, बम्बई शहर साल 2020।
This was really a mesmerizing performance. But Nakshatra knows no limits when it comes to showcasing the talent. So now we have with us Mayank Mishra to mesmerize you once again with his sensational voice.
ऐ खुदा मुझको बता, तू रहता कहाँ क्या तेरा पता, तो यहाँ पे मुसाफिर है जो ढूंढे अपनी मंजिल का पता, ऐ खुदा मुझको बता, तू रहता कहाँ क्या तेरा पता पता, हम तो यहाँ पे मुसाफिर है जो ढूंढे अपनी मंजिल का पता। यारा तेरी याद आती है, जान मेरी जान जाती है, तन्हाइयों में रहता हूँ, खुद से ही अक्सर ये कहता हूँ, क्यों तूने दिल तोड़ा, क्यों तूने यूं छोड़ा, क्यों तेरा भी रहे दिल को इंतज़ार, क्यों चली आती है, क्यों तड़पाती है, क्यों है दिल अभी बेकरार, ऐ खुदा मुझको बता, तू रहता कहाँ क्या तेरा पता पता, हम तो यहाँ पे मुसाफिर है जो ढूंढे अपनी मंजिल का पता। खुद से ही अक्सर ये कहता हूँ, क्यों तूने दिल तोड़ा, क्यों तूने यूं छोड़ा, क्यों तेरा भी रहे दिल कोई सदा, क्यों चली आती है, क्यों तड़पाती है, क्यों ही मैं यूं बेकरार। खुदा मुझको बता, तू रहता कहाँ, क्या तेरा पता, पता हम तो यहाँ पे मुसाफिर हैं, जो ढूंढे अपनी मंजिल का पता।
India is a country with varieties of dance forms, and nothing is more beautiful than a traditional dance on an evening like this. So, let us welcome our next performer, Vanshika, who will be depicting one such classical dance with her glamorous performance.
ढाई शाम रोक लई, रोक लई, रोक लई, ढाई शाम रोक लई, और चक मुख चूम लई, मुख चूम लई, मुख चूम लई, सर से मोरी चुनरी गई, 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 सर से मोरी चुनरी गई, सरक, 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 सरक। काहे छेड़ छेड़ मोरी गरवाला गाए, काहे छेड़ छेड़ मोरी गरवाला गाए, काहे छेड़ छेड़ मोरी। नंद को लाए सोठीट, नंद को लाए सोठीट, बरबस मोरी लाजली, 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 बरबस मोरी लाजली, बिंदा शाम मानत नाही, बिंदा शाम मानत नाही, कासे कहूँ मैं अपने जिया की सुनत नाही माई, काहे छेड़ छेड़ मोरी इश्क।
Now, our next performer is Vaishnavi Rama Rathod from first year, and she's here to lead the stage with her flaming performance.
छन छन चली बोलो, जाती है,
What a remarkable performance it was. I know this ride is getting more and more extravagant. And to continue this, we have on stage Kranti Sinha Jagtap to grab your attention. It was definitely an eye-catching performance. But now we have our next performer who always seems energetic and ever ready to showcase his talent. So please welcome Nakul Agrawal, who is ready to give a flaming performance.
Fits in mine like it's made just for me. But bear this in mind, it was meant to be. And I'm joining up the dots with the freckles on your cheeks, and it all makes sense to me. I know you never loved the crinkles by your eyes when you smile. You never loved your stomach or your thighs, the dimples in your back at the bottom of your spine. but I love them endlessly. I won't let these little things slip out of my mouth. But if I do, it's you, oh it's you, they add up to I'm in love with you. And all these little things, you can go to bed without a cup of tea, and maybe that's the reason that you talk in your sleep. And all those conversations are the secrets that I keep, though it makes no sense to me. I know you never loved the sound of your voice on tape. You never want to know how much you weigh. You still have to squeeze into your jeans, but you're perfect to me. I won't let these little things slip out of my mouth. But if it's true, oh it's you, they add up to I'm in love with you. And all these little things, you'll never love yourself half as much as I love you. You'll never treat yourself right, darling, but I want you to. If I let you know I'm here for you, maybe you'll love yourself like I love you. Oh, now just let these little things slip out of my mouth. 'Cause it's you, oh it's you, it's you, they add up to, and I'm in love with you. And all these little things, I won't let these little things slip out of my mouth. But if it's true, it's you, oh it's you, they add up to I'm in love with you. And all your little things. Thank you.
Now, in the continuation of this cultural program, let us welcome Neha with her flaming performance. next performer is not just an amazing dancer, but also an excellent artist. When he dances, one can only admire the way he merges the two talents he has. So welcome Suesh Shinde from third year for his performance.
मैं भी हूँ तू भी है आमने सामने दिल को बहका दिया इश्क के जाम ने मुसलसल नजर बरसती रही तरसते हैं हम भीगे बरसात में एक मुलाकात में बात ही बात में उनका यूं मुस्कुराना गजब हो गया कल तलक वो जो मेरे ख्यालों में थे रूबरू उनका आना गजब हो गया मोहब्बत की पहली मुलाकात का असर देखो ना जाने कब हो गया एक मुलाकात में बात ही बात में उनका यूं मुस्कुराना गजब हो गया
And once again, another enthralling performance. Nakshatra never lets us down. And I know you guys can't get enough of these vibrant performances. And so we have on stage Parth Gorvatkar, ready to give his best to entertain you guys.
मैं तेनू समझा बाकी ना तेरे बिना लगदा जी मैं तेनू समझा बाकी ना तेरे बिना लगदा जी तू की जाने प्यार मेरा मैं करूं इंतजार तेरा तू दिल तू यो जान मेरी मैं तेनू समझा बाकी ना तेरे बिना लगदा जी तू की जाने प्यार मेरा मैं करूं इंतजार तेरा तू दिल तू यो जान मेरी मैं तेनू समझा बाकी ना तेरे बिना लगदा जी मेरे दिल ने चुन लिया ने तेरे दिल दिया रहा तू जो मेरे नाल तू रहता तुर पे मेरी आसा जीना मेरा है हुण है तेरा कि मैं करा तू कर एतबार मेरा मैं करूं इंतजार तेरा तू दिल तू यो जान मेरी मैं तेनू समझा बाकी ना तेरे बिना लगदा जी वे चंगा नहीं हो किताबा वे चंगा नहीं हो किताबा दिल मेरा तोड़ के वे बड़ा पछताया खा वे बड़ा पछताया खा नाल तेरे जोड़ के
That was a splendid performance. Thank you so much. Nakshatra is an event that honors the celebration of achievements. And to continue with the celebration, we have on stage Dimple Thoke from BTech Computer Department.
We are the sounds of the streets.
रोके कोई मुझे, टोके कोई मुझे, दूंगा उसे जहां से मिटा।
Báilame como si fuera la última vez y enséñame ese pasito que no sé, un besito bien suavecito, bebé. Taqui taqui, taqui taqui rumba. Oh, 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 oh. High music, high blows. Báilame como si fuera la última vez y enséñame ese pasito que no sé, un besito bien suavecito, bebé.
Dance is not just about moves and freeness of body. It is about the freeness of soul and its energy, which makes it eye-catching. And our next performer, Pranjali Pandhare from first year, is here with us for another eye-catching performance.
Báilame como si fuera la última vez y enséñame ese pasito que no sé, un besito bien suavecito, bebé. Taqui taqui, taqui taqui rumba. High music, high blows. Báilame como si fuera la última vez y enséñame ese pasito que no sé, un besito bien suavecito, bebé. Taqui taqui, taqui taqui. Prende un besito aquí, una nota como Saki Saki. Prende los motores Kawasaki. En la disco está llena y llegaron los Anunnaki, no le baje. El booty sobresale de tu traje. No trajo panticito para que el nene no trabaje. Es que yo me sé lo que ella cree que ya se sabe. Cuenta que no quiere pero me tiene espionaje. El booty sobresale de tu traje. No trajo panticito para que el nene no trabaje. Es que yo me sé lo que ella cree que ya se sabe. Cuenta que no quiere pero me tiene espionaje. Báilame como si fuera la última vez y enséñame ese pasito que no sé, un besito bien suavecito, bebé. Taqui taqui, taqui taqui rumba. High music, high blows.
Say you wanna touch it and tease it, I squeeze it with my piggyback. Sloppy, my nigga, you need to beat it. The text ain't freaky, I don't wanna read it. And just to let you know, this Punani is undefeated. Ay, he said he really wanna see me more. I said we should have a date where at the Lamborghini store. I'm kinda scary, hard to read, I'm like a wizard boy, but I'm a boss bitch. Who you gonna leave me for? Got no class, you bitches is broke still. Talking cash, shit when I'm up in my own grill. I'm a whole rich bitch and I work like I'm broke still. Love be so fake, but the hate be so real. El booty sobresale de mi traje, no.
नमस्कार, मी नवनीता उर्फ शैलेश भोकरे आज तुमच्यासाठी घेऊन आलो आहे एक प्रेम कविता. कवितेचं शीर्षक आहे बाप म्हणाला बेटा प्रेम नाही करायचं. बाप म्हणाला बेटा प्रेम नाही करायचं, मन म्हणालं करायचं पण त्याला मनातच ठेवायचं. गुपचूप तिला लांबून पाहायचं आणि दररोज कुढून कुढून मरायचं. जमेल तसं तिच्याशी बोलायचं आणि आटल्यात तिच्यासाठी झुरायचं. तिच्या आठवणींना मनातच पुरायचं आणि असंच एकामागून एक वर्ष सरायचं.
चुपचाप अवीट आयुष्य जगायचं, पण प्रेम कधी व्यक्त नाही करायचं. एके दिवशी तिनंच माझ्याकडे बघायचं आणि गालातल्या गालात मिश्किल हसायचं. हातात माझ्या गुलाबी पत्र ठेवायचं आणि लाजून हळूच दूर पळायचं. मी अलगद ते पत्र उघडायचं आणि हर्षभऱ्या नजरेनं आभाळाकडे पाहायचं. मनाशी निर्धाराने काहीतरी ठरवायचं आणि पत्राला उत्तर पाठवायचं. भावनांना कवितेत ओतायचं, अलगद तिच्यापुढे सरकवायचं. तिनं ते गुपचूप उचलून लपवायचं आणि पुन्हा तसंच मनमोहक गोड हसायचं. ठरवलं, आता दररोज तिला लिहायचं आणि दुनियेला नाही आता घाबरायचं. अधूनमधून गल्लीबोळात भेटायचं आणि एकमेकांशेजारी चिकटून बसायचं. तिच्या बहिणीने मात्र तिच्यावर जळायचं आणि सासरेबुवांना जाऊन सर्व सांगायचं. बापानं बेदम बडवून हिला बजावायचं, तू अशा भानगडीत पुन्हा नाही पडायचं. दुसऱ्याच दिवशी आमच्या घरी अवतरायचं आणि मलाही भरपूर झापायचं. बापानं माझ्या सासरेबुवांना काहीतरी समजवायचं आणि हे प्रकरण इथेच मिटवायचं. माझ्या बापानं माझ्याकडे बघायचं आणि रागानं घरात घुसायचं. खाली मुंडी घालून मी गालात हसायचं आणि नजरेनं तिला तिच्या गॅलरीत शोधायचं. तिनंही माझ्याकडे लक्ष ठेवायचं आणि तिकडनं खिदी खिदी हसायचं. मीही त्या रात्री नाही जेवायचं आणि बाहेर जेवून येऊन ताणून झोपायचं. सकाळी बापानं मला समजवायचं, बेटा प्रेम कधी नाही करायचं. मी लाडावून सॉरी म्हणायचं आणि घाईनं जाऊन तिला भेटायचं. भेटताना आजूबाजूला आता लक्ष ठेवायचं आणि सगळं करून सगळं संपल्याचं नाटक करायचं. सुट्टीच्या दिवशी भटकायचं आणि सहलीनिमित्त एकत्र रमायचं. असं बरेच दिवस चालायचं आणि अखेर जे व्हायचं ते व्हायचं. तिने रागानं फुगून बसायचं आणि मी तिला आत्मीयतेनं समजावायचं. एकाएकी तिने मला भेटायचं आणि नसतं कारण काढून भरपूर भांडायचं. घाईघाईनं ब्रेकअप करायचं आणि रागानं माझंच पत्र माझ्यावर फेकायचं. मीही जरूर थोडंसं गडबडायचं आणि तिला का म्हणून कारण परत विचारायचं. तिच्या लाल चेहऱ्याकडे पाहायचं आणि स्वतःला आरोपी ठरवायचं. तिनं कृत्रिम बेलगाम बडबडायचं आणि मीही ते चुपचाप ऐकायचं. रात्री ढसाढसा रडायचं आणि जोरानं यावेळी खरोखरच मी आजारी पडायचं. सावरल्यावर काही दिवसांनी पुन्हा तिला शोधायचं आणि तिनं कोणाच्या तरी गाडीवर दिसायचं. डोकं माझं एकदम सनकायचं, पण त्याच्या मसल्स पाहून मी गप्प बसायचं. बाप म्हणाला, बेटा प्रेम नाही करायचं. मन म्हणालं करायचं, पण त्याला मनातच ठेवायचं.
this never ending evening now comes to an end. But it has filled us with hope, energy, and enthusiasm for our future endeavors and challenges. We are now heading towards the end of our program, and so I would like to request all of you to kindly raise for the Pasaidan.
आता विश्वात्मके देवी येणे वाग्यज्ञे तोषावे तोषोनी मज द्यावे पसाय दान हे जे खळांची व्यंकटी सांडो तया सत्कर्मी रती वाढो भूता परस्परे पडो मैत्र जीवांचे दुरितांचे तिमिर जावो विश्वस्वधर्म सूर्ये पाहो जो जे वांछील तो तेला हो प्राणी जात वर्षत सकळ मंगळी ईश्वर निष्ठांची मांदियाळी अनवरत भूमंडळी भेट तू भूता चला कल्पतरूंचे आरव चेतना चिंतामणींचे गाव बोलते जे अर्णव पियुषाचे चंद्रमे जे अलांछन मार्तंड जे तापहीन ते सर्वाही सदा सज्जन सोय रे हो तू किंबहुना सर्व सुखी पूर्ण होनी तिन्ही लोकी भजिजो आदि पुरुखी अखंडित आणि ग्रंथोपजीविये विशेषी लोकीये दृष्टा दृष्ट विजये होवावे जी येथ म्हणे श्री विश्वेश्वरा हा होईल दान पसा